Buckle up for an unforgettable experience. Witness the raw power and precision of these incredible machines as they transform the landscape. It's a symphony of destruction and creation that will leave you in awe. 4 years this stubborn stump defied the elements. Today, it faced the Oliver 1650 and Kaiser 6x6. The ground shook, roots screamed, and then victory. Man and machine prevailed. A sight to behold. John Deere 1110E? More like John Deere can do anything E. Seriously, this thing is a superhero on slopes. Your wallet might need a superhero cape too, though, because it's about $350,000. These monster trucks never fail to amaze us, do they, everyone? Their length is truly impressive. This is why you should remove dead and dying trees. Timberjack and Beelin's flawless synergy conquered not just the slope, but my very soul. Skilled machine operators always create unforgettable moments.
Déjà, hein?
The Itera stump planer isn't just a tool, it's a stump-annihilating beast. 3 hardened steel cutters tear through wood like butter. A replaceable pilot keeps you on target, and auger extensions let you reach those stubborn, deep-rooted stumps. Combine it with the Itera auger drive on your skid steer, and watch those stumps vanish into sawdust. OMG, this is woodworking goals. Dude's got mad skills, blending classic techniques with futuristic tools. CNC for the perfect lines, but his creativity is off the charts. The end result? A cutting board so breathtaking it's like a work of art. I wouldn't even know where to start chopping on this beauty. The C63 harvester head is a powerhouse in the forest, effortlessly tackling massive trees with precision and power. Its advanced technology and robust design make it a true champion, turning challenging tasks into smooth operations. Witness the C63 in action, and you'll see forestry at its finest. Priced at approximately $75,000, it's an investment in efficiency and excellence. Tyrawidi Timber Training's newest recruit successfully felled a large mature pine exceeding 3 meters in diameter. Challenging access was overcome with skillful technique and the powerful steel 661 chainsaw equipped with a 42-inch bar. Congratulations on a job well done. The bumpy road played a cruel prank on the truck, stealing one of its wheels. A heart-stopping moment, but thankfully the driver walked away with a minor injury. Lady Luck was on his side. An image evoking memories of the past. Crosscut saws like these are no longer common and remain only a memory for many. This chainsaw is a beast. The Steel MS-881, with its massive 67-inch bar, cuts through that huge log like it's nothing. 8.7 horsepower engine, sawdust flying everywhere, the smell of wood. It's impressive, no doubt about it. This Galician pine sawmill showcases impressive first wood transformation efficiency. The high-speed cutting and seamless log handling minimize downtime, maximizing productivity. A prime example of streamlined operations. The Magnum LT linear carriage one is widely used in wood processing factories, especially for cutting and processing large logs. With its sturdy design and efficient operation, this dual-blade bandsaw can cut any log quickly, and its speed is truly remarkable.
it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
Cutting down trees is not a DIY job. It can be dangerous. Lucky no one got hurt. The VTZ Plus is Meebor's fast vertical band sawmill with a tilted slanted log carriage, designed for high-capacity and quality-oriented sawing. Its smart design combines speed, energy efficiency, and high wood recovery. This innovative sawmill ensures optimal performance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking efficiency and precision in their wood processing operations. Known for its durability and power, the Mack R600 is a favorite in the logging industry. Its strong engine and sturdy build make it ideal for transporting heavy loads through challenging terrains, ensuring efficient and safe delivery of timber. These cedar trees are giants, aren't they? But today, they meet their match. This man's skill and experience are off the charts. Watch how he takes down these behemoths with surgical precision. It's like a ballet of power and control. You won't believe your eyes when these giants come crashing down. Can you believe it? This lumberjack just dominated two massive trees in no time flat. He makes it look so easy. Ever wondered how a falling tree could be awe-inspiring? This video of the big hemlock's felling will show you why it's captivated so many. The sheer size and power on display is truly humbling. And that concludes our exciting journey with forestry tech. See you in the next videos. Behold the Jarcrack EvaPro Laricara M, a beast unleashed upon the forestry world. Mud, muck, and treacherous terrain tremble before its might. This forwarder doesn't just work, it dominates, turning logging nightmares into effortless triumphs. Engineered to conquer, it's a testament to power and precision, making every job feel like child's play. Check out this awesome homemade mini chainsaw mill. Who knew you could build something so useful with just wood? I'm itching to give this a try. Anyone else feeling crafty? Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Think this is just another tree felling video? Think again. This lumberjack's about to make a daring move that'll leave you speechless. Get ready for the unexpected. Heavy hauling is a high-stakes game where experience and precision are paramount. These professionals navigate a delicate balance between power and control, ensuring every load reaches its destination safely. Ever seen a giant tree fall? You're about to. A Husqvarna 390XPG, a style 36-foot bar, and a skilled operator are ready to make it happen. Get your popcorn ready, because this is going to be epic. This image captures a living relic of woodworking history. In Herend, Norway, this water-powered sawmill has been humming since the late 1500s. Even today, skilled hands keep its gears turning, passing down the craft to new generations. It's a testament to tradition and a beautiful piece of Norway's past.